Healthcare professionals from across Maine met at Thomas College today for their yearly award ceremony. The 22nd annual Long-Term Care Awards program honored 20 employees from various facilities in differing roles for their passion in the job. Each honoree was brought up along with someone else from their organization to speak on their behalf. Those who spoke mentioned award winners going above and beyond for their patients.
Older adults and individuals with disabilities rely on your skills and knowledge to provide assistance that helps them make the most of each day. But you give them so much more than that. You provide deeply personal care with sensitivity and compassion. You get to know their life stories and learn what is important to them.
The Maine Healthcare Association also releases the Mike McNeil Scholarship Fund every year. To learn more about it or nominate someone, a link can be found on our website.